This is the spot on State Street where the shooting happened back in June. Today, the Salt Lake County District Attorney said the first two shots fired by Matthew Adler may have been lawful because he had this backstop. But by the time he fires his third shot at Arturo Gamboa, that shot was heading in the direction of the crowd, and the bullet that struck and killed Afalu, the district attorney said today, is a case of manslaughter.
We don't have a description yet.
We are filing one count of second-degree manslaughter against Matt Alder, and also formally declining any charges against Mr. Arturo Gamboa.
Alder was part of the volunteer safety team for the No Kings rally. You can see him firing his 9mm pistol in this clip obtained by Fox 13 News back in June. Charging documents describe how he was concerned Arturo Gamboa, who had retrieved an unloaded AR-15 rifle, was running toward the crowd. In an interview with Salt Lake City police detectives after the shooting, Alder said he was worried Gamboa was going to, quote, mag dump into a crowd of people to kill as many people as he could, end quote.
And the case presented a very nuanced and complex set of facts.
Salt Lake County District Attorney Sim Gill described a long process in getting here.
For example, we have some very liberal open carry laws in the state of Utah.
That's why, Gill said, his office isn't charging Gamboa, who was arrested immediately after the shooting, though he never fired a shot.
He was lawfully permitted to carry the rifle in a concealed and subsequently open manner under existing Utah law.
But the analysis was different for Alder, particularly by the time he fired that bullet that hit Alu.
To us, that is reckless conduct, and that is what we're charging.
While Gill is confident the defendant committed manslaughter,
I just don't think they're going to get past a justification hearing in this case, let alone a trial.
attorney Mitch Velos has written books on Utah's gun laws. He doesn't represent anyone associated with the No Kings shooting, and he doesn't think Alder will be convicted.
And you're looking at a potential mass shooting is what I believe his reasonable belief was. He doesn't have any criminal intent. His intent is to be a defender.
Gill said his office relied, in part, on a recent court ruling in Massachusetts with similar circumstances.
Utah courts are not bound by anything that Massachusetts does, and shouldn't be, because their philosophy is totally different. They have a duty to retreat before they can use deadly force in Massachusetts.
Alder is not in jail. He will be issued a summons to appear in court. I asked Gill, why issue a summons and not seek detention?
He has been he's been cooperating. He is not considered to be a flight risk.
The manslaughter charge carries up to 15 years in prison. In downtown Salt Lake City, Nate Carlisle, Fox 13 News, Utah.